Wise transfer pending, how to fix. Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to fix a wise transfer that's stuck on pending. Step 1, check the transfer status. Log into your Wise account and open the transfer to see what it's waiting for. Step 2, confirm your payment. Make sure the payment to Wise has been sent, especially if you used a bank transfer. Step 3, verify your account. If Wise asks for verification, upload the required documents and wait for approval. Step 4, allow processing time. Some transfers take longer due to weekends, holidays, or international processing. Step 5, contact Wise support. If the transfer stays pending too long, contact Wise support directly in the app. Tips: card payments are usually faster. Double check recipient details and keep notifications on for updates. And that's it. You now know how to fix a pending Wise transfer. Thanks for watching.